Welcome to BE Power Equipment Tech Talk. I'm Nate. On this episode, we're going to be going over the 24-foot long telescopic wand. It's a great addition to your pressure washer equipment to reach up high without needing ladders or scaffolding. It comes mostly pre-assembled out of the box. It will include front lance, user manual, and an M22 fitting. The reason why this fitting is included is because if you have a high pressure hose with an M22 fitting, then you can replace this plug with it to connect your hose. For assembly, you take this front lance and thread it on by spinning it on the collar. Keep in mind when doing so that you want the angle of the lance to be opposite to your pistol grip. An important step that is often forgotten is to cut the two zip ties located here and here. If you forget to do this, you will not be able to slide out the sections. To demonstrate what will happen if you don't cut the zip ties is once you release the levers and try to pull out the sections, you will have tension pulling back as you try to extend it. Once the zip ties are cut, then the sections will slide freely out. Now, let's take a close-up look at the lever lock system. When they're in the down position, they lock the sections into place. This little protrusion keeps the lever securely in place so it doesn't accidentally open and slide on you. If you want to use the wand and an extension slides down, that means that this little bolt right here needs to be tightened slightly. To unlock, lift the lever up, slide the extension into position, push the lever lock down before using it. When extending a section, keep an eye out for the red max marker on the pole. That's as far as you'll want to extend it. It's also recommended to start by extending the thicker bottom portion first because it will be easier to control. It comes with a quick connect coupler, so it takes any standard spray nozzle. The yellow 15-degree nozzle is the most common, and people often use a slightly bigger nozzle just to lower the pressure and make it easier to handle. You can use it in any configuration. Fully collapsed, it still measures 8 feet and reaches further than a standard spray wand. When putting it on, the padded part goes around your waist and the other strap goes over your shoulder and clips in and can be adjusted. This piece is clamped to the wand, and I recommend putting it as close to the gun as possible. That way it's in a more natural position when you're using it. Then they connect together with this clip. Once attached, it takes a lot of the weight off your arm, so it's much easier to use for long periods of time. This has been BE Tech Talks. Keep your eye out for more episodes with other useful tips and insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and get alerted with more videos when they come available.